Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.